How to create AI animation for free without using Grok. We all know that ever since Grok got monetized, many people stopped creating AI content. Many people got stuck because of this. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you free method on how you can create AI animated video talking avatar for free without paying a dime. First of all, we're going to head over to our ChatGPT. If you don't know how to log into ChatGPT, I've already made several videos on this. Check my channel to see videos I've made about ChatGPT so you can see how you can log into ChatGPT. I'm already in my ChatGPT interface. I'm going to tell ChatGPT the kind of story I want to create. To give my prompt to ChatGPT, I'm going to be using the voice icon to tell ChatGPT what I want. I'm not going to be typing it to make it easier. I will click on this. I use my voice to explain what I want to ChatGPT. This is the fastest and the easiest way to talk to ChatGPT because you don't need to be typing. Just use your mouth and describe what you want. If you look at this script very well, I told ChatGPT that I wanted to create first of all, I said 10 seconds, but I changed mine to 15 seconds animation script of a talking avatar, okay? I also told the ChatGPT the duration, which is 15 seconds. If you want your video to be 15 seconds, you let it know. If you want it to be more than 15 seconds, you also let it know. Okay? And I said the age of the person, which is 25 years old lady. 25 years old. Tell AI the age you want the person to be. Because AI is not in your mind to know what you want. And if you don't tell it your age, it's going to give you a script of any age of its choice. I also wrote lady, which is the gender of the person I want. I told the AI the gender, which is very necessary. After telling the AI the gender, I went ahead to describe the hairstyle, the position of the hairstyle, even the color of the clothes, the kind of clothes she's wearing, the kind of shoes she's wearing, where she's sitting. These are very necessary because AI is not in your mind to know what you want. You have to describe what you want in details for AI, okay? Then I also mentioned the location, Lagos, Nigeria. This will show the AI that I want a picture of an African woman, not just African woman, but a Nigerian person. Okay, this will help the AI to give you the kind of image you want. If you don't put the location, it can give you the image of a white person when you are looking for a black person. It can also give you image of a black person when you are looking for a white person. Okay. Also, you can also go ahead to add the scene. If you want the story to be a two-story scene, you indicate in your prompts as well. I want to create a 2 scenes 50-second script or stuff like that. AI has given us the scripts. It gave us the image description and also went ahead to give me the second version. Okay, I didn't tell AI to give me the scenes. Like, I didn't tell it how many scenes I want. I'm going to tell the AI to make it 3 scenes. AI has shared it into 3 different scenes. This is scene 1 with its own dialogue. This is scene 2. I recall that the AI tool I'm going to use creates 8 seconds video per scene. So I'm going to tell the AI, that is ChatGPT, to make it, each scene should be for 8 seconds dialogue video. Now AI has given us the scene by scene clips with dialogue. This is scene 1, this is scene 2. You go through each scene and check if it's what you like. If it's not what you like, you are going to change it. Okay, then I'm going to go further to tell this AI to give me the character's image prompt. That is the image prompt I'm going to use to create the character. Now I'm going to tell the AI to go ahead and create the image of the main character. I told ChatGPT to create the image using portrait aspect ratio. ChatGPT has given me the image, and if you want to download your image, click on this download icon here and save your image. The next place we're going to is where we're going to animate the image. To animate our image, I'm going to first of all go to the first scene script that we generated. I'm going to copy the first script. The next phase we're going to head over to is YouTube. Click on YouTube. Click on this plus sign button. Select short. That is YouTube short. Click on add. Select the image we generated. Then click on photo to video. When you click on photo to video, you are going to wait. YouTube AI is getting more suggestions of how you can animate your video or your image. It has given you different suggestions. You can choose to use these suggestions to animate your video or your image, or you click on this and input the prompt that will go from ChatGPT. Then you click on this arrow here. Whenever I click on this arrow and you see this percentage, it means that your video is generating and you should not leave your screen or let your screen go off, otherwise it will stop. Whenever it stops, you have to recreate it again.
My name is Amara. I'm 25 years old and I proudly call Lagos, Nigeria my home. It is wonderful to meet you and share a bit about myself today.
Can you see this? This is very, very wonderful and beautiful, okay? For you to get this image to your photo gallery, you are going to click on next. You have to post this video first of all before you can be able to download it to your gallery. When this thing came out newly, you can actually save it to your gallery without you posting it, but YouTube has changed it by making you to post it first before you can save it. The video has been posted. For us to save this video, I'm going to click on this three dots here, click on save to device, and your video will be saved to your device. The next thing you're going to do is to copy the prompt for the second scene, use the same method and animate your video. To create the second scene, we're going to go back and copy the next prompt. We're going to go back to YouTube, click on plus sign again, just the same thing we did, select the same image, click on next, select photo to video, then you have to wait for this to generate first before you give your own prompt, or you can still go ahead and paste your prompt. Then click on next. This is basically how you are going to be doing it until you are done creating your video. If you want to know how to make your videos, how to join your videos together, just keep watching. I'm going to show you how to join your videos together.
Life here moves fast and every day brings new challenges. But I've learned that resilience is stronger than fear.
This video is amazing. I'm going to also use the same method to save the video, while we move over to where I'm going to show you how to join the videos together. My video has posted. I'm still going to click on this plus icon here to save my video, save to device. Now I'm going to be teaching you how to join your videos together after creating it into short clips. First of all, I'm going to use InShot app. If you don't have InShot app in your phone, go to your Play Store, download it, or your Apple Store. This is InShot. Open it. I'm going to use the video side. Click on new. I'm going to select the first video, which is this one, and the second video, this one. I'm going to play the video.
I proudly call Lagos, Nigeria my home. It is wonderful to meet you and share a bit about myself today. Life here moves fast and every day brings new challenges. But I've learned that resilience is stronger than fear.
You can see that I've created the video. When you are done, if there's any excessive parts at the end, you can just highlight the video like this and adjust. This is how to create AI animated videos. And if you want to learn more on how to create a very well detailed and cinematic AI animated videos like this one on the screen, I have a paid AI animation coaching class. In this class, I'm going to be teaching you how to create different kinds of AI animated videos like the one you're seeing on my screen, how to create AI music, how to create AI product videos, how to create UGC videos, how to create all kinds of content. And this class goes for just 50,000 naira plus mentorship until you learn. If you want to sign up for this my class, find the link at the comments section and also at the video description section to sign up and start learning instantly. If you have watched this video to this level, do well to like on this video, comment on the next AI animation tutorial you want me to create, or on the next AI animation tool you want me to teach you, and also do well to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and check my channel to see other tutorials I've created, and share this video. See you in my next video. When you are done merging your videos together, simply click on this arrow here, click on save, and your video will download to your phone gallery.